Hello everyone, Carson here, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I wanted to go ahead and give you a quick rundown of what VPS hosting is versus cloud hosting. Before we do get into that though, just a reminder, of course, to actually check out the link in the description because I've got a link to a very good company which covers both of these hosting types. So if you'd like to check them out, you can do that with my link in the description. But now let's go ahead and get into the topic. Now, in this video, I wanted to, as I said, go ahead and cover what VPS hosting is versus cloud hosting. Now, essentially, VPS, or virtual private server hosting, is a hosting type that lets you host your website on a server on a virtual or essentially emulated server. What this means is that you will get a special access to a certain amount of a physical server where an operating system will be running, but not on the entire server, just on one little slice. Now that slice will be assigned to you, and you will be able to run your website off of that. An easy way to imagine it is that you basically get access to a server, except it's an imaginary one, but it does everything a server could do, albeit with maybe less resources. VPS hosting is extremely popular in the industry because of the very low loading times depending on who you are hosting with, as well as the very good uptimes and the ability to customize basically everything you want. Now getting into the explanation of cloud hosting, essentially cloud hosting is where your website is hosted on multiple servers. What this means is that your website will be hosted in multiple locations and data centers, so if it goes down in one, it will remain up in the rest. This is basically a redundancy, and it is available in multiple hosting types, including shared hosting and VPS hosting. This is very good because your website will essentially have a backup, so whenever it goes down, it actually will stay up, because just because one server goes down doesn't mean your entire website will go down. It's sort of a mesh network for the security of the uptime of your website. That is going to do it for today's video though. I just wanted to give you a really quick rundown of the differences between VPS and cloud hosting. So with that out of the way, and just to recap real quick, VPS hosting is virtual private server hosting or an emulated server, and cloud hosting is hosting on a mesh network of databases. That is going to do it for today's video though, so remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.